Yeah, hey, what is up, everybody? How you guys doing, man? I just got to this 99-cent store. There's not so many castings, but we'll see. Hopefully we are lucky enough to find something good, you know. First off, let's see. This is the end case, and we got an Audi Rs5 Coupe. Again, man, these temples are really nice. This is a great casting. Very nice Audis. And take a look, another Mclaren. This is an exotic. Very nice. I really like this casting. I know I bought some already. I bought like 2 of these, and my son already opened one. And the Volkswagen SP2 in red. It looks alright in red. Which I don't know which one was the regular treasure hunt actually. Damn, this Force Maverick is nice though. I don't know which one was the regular treasure hunt for the end case. I think it was a Batman or a Batmobile. I'm not sure. But take a look on a Ford Mustang. Looks alright with the art cars. Factory fresh. Another Audi. Take a look at that 64 Chevy Chevelle. Damn, very nice. And damn, take a look, guys. I found a Bugatti. But first, take a look at this Nissan Skyline. Damn. Which I already got. This is Skyline. Take a look. Everybody's going nuts for this 16 Bugatti Chiron or Chiron. I don't even know how to pronounce this thing. Bugatti. Damn. It looks alright. I like better the one I found for $399, which was a loose. This one it's alright. Not bad, I guess. The most expensive car. And again, another 720S, a Miata, and a Mustang. Let's see what else we have, man. I'll put my Bugatti over here real quick. There's a Aston Martin, which I know everybody doesn't like those wheels, including myself. Those wheels don't look good on this casting. And there's a Lamborghini, man, which this was the super for the previous case, which was the M case. Take a look. Slide kick and runway rescue. Yeah, this one it's alright. I like the card better, only because it's blue and very I don't know, it looks better on the card. Right here it looks plain. But yeah, man, let me see if I find something else. Oh, this is the Audi Rs6 Avant. Damn, I don't know if I have this one, but I'm pretty sure. I think it's a repeat. There's a Fair Lady and the Crocodile. Here's my Bugatti once again, and an Audi or another Audi. Damn, there's a Porsche Carrera. I'm taking that one for sure. Crescendo, bunch of steel. And take a look, man. Damn, this is a super. Yeah, a Tesla Super. Take a look, man. This is it's got the TH on the back. Model S. Yeah, very nice, man. Oh, this is great. TH Treasure Hunt Soup. Very nice, man. Who would have thought? A 99-cent store. with the super treasure hunt. Very nice. Heck yeah. So I'm taking this 3 castings so far. I just need to know which one was the, man, I don't want to leave it, I don't want to put it back in the pegs. Which one was the regular treasure hunt? That's my question. There's an Acura that I have a few of those, and I see a hover now in gold. And there's a solar reflex and a Hot Wheels rapid responder. But I didn't see a regular treasure hunt for this, which I don't even care. Now that I got the super treasure hunt. Hell yeah. Heck yes, man. And a Porsche Carrera. And a Bugatti. Damn. Heck yes. Shoot, man. So happy right now. Damn. I don't know about the Audi. I'm leaving it behind, but I think I have it already. Yeah, Tesla Super. Heck yeah. Well, that's all, guys. Just wanted to show you this quick hunt. And stay tuned, because I will also show what I got from the flea market. Damn. Anyways, see you guys in the... Yeah, man. Let me see. I don't think I talk about the Bugatti. I mean, it's not really much. It's just got the side temple. I don't see nothing on the back. And a minor on the front. But yeah, everybody's going crazy. And I mean, take a look at this Tesla. More details. Yeah. Well, that's it, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned. Yeah. 99 cents only. 99 cents for a super. Very nice. Yeah.